Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The seat originally came with a square head bolt, and it was attached this way. But I'm thinking that square head bolt's going to be uncomfortable. And I noticed that this little block in here works perfectly to capture the sides of a carriage bolt. And that's going to be a lot more comfortable. So noticing that, I also decided that, hey, why don't I try a wing nut? That way it'll be able to be easily adjustable. You won't need a tool to do it. And you can slide the seat back and forth depending upon who's going to be operating it. Now, I don't imagine this is going to be something that a whole lot of people have to adjust day by day, because probably nobody's ever going to use it again after I get it fixed. But I intend to have this be operational because I am impressed with how well the stones work. Look at that. That is going to work just perfect. Let's give it a try. Other than a huge amount of hop in the wheel, it's working quite well. The seat's comfortable. Treadles work. I'm impressed. So, now that we got this thing operational, let's try silicosis is no joke. So the sanding dust, the sandstone dust that I'm going to get off of this wheel, definitely want to be covered up for. This is a mask. That 3-ply, 5-ply bandana crap, that's for people who don't really care. Or, in the case of most of the stuff today, people who don't know what they're doing. It won't protect you from anything having a bandana across your mouth. Unless, of course, you're worried about swallowing June bugs or something. spot there. Another one there. That's the two low spots. Got most of the hop out of the wheel. I have to be careful not to let the wheel speed up too much, because hitting it with the diamond wheel while it's spinning, I could fracture it. That's pretty close to round. And we still got a little bit of the 47 left. Barely legible, but I think it's time to stop with the power tools. And we'll see if we can't try honing it in a little bit. Oh, it works. Need the way to add some water to it for it to really get going, but I don't know if we'll do that. Okay, hole number 47 is done. All the operating systems are working. And it does a fair to middling job of sharpening an axe. This axe has seen much better days, and it's a bit warm out for me to be out here treadling in the backyard. So I'm going to call old number 47 done. There's a few other tweaks that probably could be done, but I got it at the working stage, which was the point of the exercise, just to make things so that they ran. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Oh, and it's really dusty out here. I got a plume of white dust going out there a good 20 feet. But we had to take off almost an inch from the diameter of this stone, about 3/4 of the way around. Now I need to go take a shower because I'm covered with dust. Even with a mask on, it gets all over you because you could see there was a cloud around me. So I'm going to put away the grinder, put away the camera, and today's done. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.